Okay, let's look at another exercise. Exercise 2. Okay, they're saying find dy over dx in its simplest if y is equal to sine x squared multiply by tan to the 4x over x squared plus 1 all to the square. Okay, so we have to derive this using logarithmic diff. Okay, so we know if we're using logarithmic diff, the first thing that we must do is to apply ln both sides. This means we'll have ln y it's equal to ln of sine x squared. Okay, here don't make the mistake of taking out the squared, because the squared is on top of x, not on top of sine. Okay, and then because we have multiplication between sine and tan, this means we'll add plus ln of tan x to the 4. Now we can take out the 4th because the 4 is on top of tan, not x. And then minus, because of the division sign, ln of x squared plus 1 to the squared. Okay, so now the only thing that is left is to derive. Okay, derivative of ln y is 1 over y dy over dx, because we're deriving y. And then derivative of ln into something, it's 1 over that something. Okay, this means we'll have 1 over sine x squared multiply by derivative of the inside, which means we have to find the derivative of sine x squared, which is cos x squared. Okay, multiply by derivative of the inside. This is chain rule, it's chain rule, which means we have to find the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. Okay, plus the following one, our 4 to the power 4, and can be taken down because of the ln, which means we'll have 4 multiplied by derivative of ln into something. It's 1 over that something, which is 1 over tan x. Okay, multiply by derivative of the inside, which means derivative of tan x is equal to secant squared of x minus, and then to the power 2, it can be taken down because of the ln. This means we have 2 multiplied by derivative of ln into something. It's 1 over that something, x squared plus 1 multiplied by derivative of the inside, which means derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x. Okay, so now we just have to simplify. Okay, let's see. This will become 1 over y dy over dx equal to, okay, now we have cos x squared over sine x squared multiplied by 2x. Okay, plus 4 multiplied by secant squared of x over tan of x minus 2 times 2, it's 4x over x squared plus 1. Okay, so now we just have to simplify it more and more. Okay, looking at this, we know that sine of x over cos of x, this is called to tan of x. Okay, this means that cos of x over sine of x, this will be equal to cot of x. Okay, So this means we can do that substitution because we have this. Okay. This means that we will have 1 over y dy over dx. It's equal to, this will become cot. So this will be 2x cot of x squared plus. Okay. Now we come to this one. Okay, let's try to simplify this one on its own. Yeah? This is secant square of x over tan of x. Okay, so how can we simplify this on its own? We know this will be equal to secant square of x over, we change tan to sine x over cos of x. Okay, this means that we will have secant square of x multiply by cos of x over sine of x. Okay, but we can also change secant of x, which is similar to 1, it's the same as 1 over cos of x. Okay, this means we can change this to 1 over cos squared of x. Okay. This will cancel, and we'll be left with 1 there. Therefore, this becomes 1 over cos x multiplied by sine of x. Okay, and now, okay, this is crazy. Okay, now we know that sine of 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. Okay, check this rule. We know this. So now we can take this 2 to this side. This means that we will have 1 over 2 sine 2x is equal to sine of x cos x. And then now we take this, we substitute it there. Okay. This means that this will be equal to okay. This means that we will have, this will be equal to 1 over half sine of 2x. Okay, and then still more simplification. Okay, now we'll take this, we have to simplify it. This is equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by 2 over sine of 2x. Okay? This means it's equal to 2 over sine of 2x. Okay, but we know 1 over sine x, it's equal to what? It's equal to cosecant of x. Okay, this means here we'll have 2 cosecant of 2x. Okay, then now we just have to take this 2 cosecant of x, we have to simplify it back to this one. Okay, this means, let's erase here. This means that this it's equal to 4 multiplied by 2 cosecant of 2x. The 4 is this one, okay? And then minus 4x over x squared plus 1. Okay. So now we just have to take y, okay? Before we do that, we know 4 multiplied by 2, this will be equal to 8, okay? This means we'll have 8 cosecant into 2x. And then now we just simplify. Okay.